In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover or restore deleted items and messages on ClickUp from trash. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for us to be able to restore anything that was deleted on ClickUp, first we need to go ahead and access ClickUp Trash Can. To do this, head over to your workspace name up here and then click on it. From this, you should be able to see settings. Go ahead and click on it. Under settings, go down under workspace until you see this trash. Go ahead and click on it, and this will show you items that were deleted. As you can see, these items will be deleted permanently after 30 days. So anything that you want to recover from this should have a lifespan of less than 30 days from the time it was deleted. Now, to restore or to recover anything from this, so go ahead and hover over the item you want to recover and go to the end here, and you'll see ellipsis here. If you click on this ellipsis, now you can see we have an option to restore. If you click on restore, now the item will be removed from trash can. And now if you go back to your home page, now you should be able to see all the deleted items that were recovered. Now you can see the item that I've just recovered is here. So that's how you can recover deleted items in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.